Hello, Miss Golden Girl here, and it's Saturday, October the 18th, 2025, and I'm packing up my employee housing, preparing to return home to Lawrenceville, Georgia. So, I'm working on the kitchenette here. Let me show you what I've done. Today, I've got this area right here is all cleaned up, and I've got there in those two containers I have cleaned this drawer out. That was the drawer that had my seasoning in it. So I have two more drawers and this cabinet here to clear out. I may work on this cabinet a little later. This drawer here, I'm going into Montrose to Walmart tomorrow, and I'm going to get another container to put these items in, my silverware. And then I'm going to get a Rubbermaid container, tote, maybe 20-gallon, and put the items in that I'm going to take. I'm going to be able to fit in the car my crock pot, toaster, George Foreman's dishes, so just got to get a container to put those in. But I'm coming along pretty good. The joys of a seasonal worker returning home. The packing. This has been my home here for over a year now. So I'm pacing myself, feeling pretty good on my progress.